Hi, this is one of our projects called ClockIn. So this is an employee management system. Let me show you how it works. So as you can see, there's life look, ClockIn, history, job codes, and other options available. Let me just show you what happens when I tap on the life look. So when I click on the life look now, and you can see all the employees who are currently working. As you can see, I can see who's working right now, and the information of the total hours they're working, their job, work time, break hours, everything will be available to us. So currently one of my employees is working. As you can see, I can see all the employees that are working under me from this option. It will be represented on a Google map, that is, I am tracking their live location, and other options will be available like ClockIn. Let me just show you what's ClockIn. As you can see, this is the current time I'm clocked in, means I'm working. This is the closest street. I can update my locations, and I can clock out if I want. So if I click tap on the clock out, the timer that's shown will be stopped. Let me just show you how. I've clicked on the yes, I have already clocked out, and when I tap on OK, I am going to show you. As you can see, the timer is now loading, and as you can see, the current is 00. That is, I have stopped my clocked in or the time I have working. Now I have to again tap on clock in. Before that, I have to select the job. I have selected the job to iOS, and I have to tap OK. Now I have to start, means I have to clock in again, and when I have clocked in my location, yes, when I will clock in, the timer will again start. Let me just show you. As you can see, the screen is loading, and yes, you have successfully clocked in. Now I have to click on OK, and as you can see, the timer has an error has occurred. I forgot to mention that this app is still under development. Let me just show you. I have to tap in clock in again. Okay, now it's occurring. So as you can see, the timer has started, and I have already clocked in as an iOS. Let me show you some of other features now. Now there's another option I can take, that is take a break. When I take the break, the timer would be paused, it won't be stopped. Let me just show you. I have to tap on the take a break, that is option, and now the timer will be paused. As you can see, break time, the timer is paused at 47 seconds. Now when I click on resume clock, the timer will again start. Let me just show you. As you can see, the timer is still on, means I'm on still a break, and now the timer will again start. As you can see, clock resumed, and I have started working. Now let me show you the history section. I have to tap on the history, and as you can see, this is a history of the details of the work, time, hours I've done, the job which was doing, break time, and everything. So this is the history section. So I can go into details if I like to, or I can directly log out from here. And when I go to details, as you can see, the ID, employee name, job code, in address, out address, clock in time, clock out time, and notes if I have added any. So these are the details of my history. You can also see the method in and method out, means the device I've used, and these are the options that I can access from the details. So let me show you some other options. As you can see, these are the menus. I have home, live look, clock in, history, job codes, group ClockIn, manage user, manage ClockIns, generate report, audit, my account settings, and logout. Let me go to the home page and let me just tap on job codes. Let's see what happens when I tap on job codes. As you can see, these are the two jobs available, that is iOS and PHP. I can add new job if I like to. I can edit the existing one or can delete them. So now I'm gonna edit a job code by clicking on the pencil icon. As you can see, I can now edit the job code of iOS, and after editing it I can just tap on the update and the job code would be updated. As you can see, I can also add a job code. Let me just show you. I can just type in a job code and just click on the submit button. As you can see, I have added React Native, and yes, the job has been successfully added. So let's go back to the home and let me show you, yes, time management. So this section you can see the account name, the job, the details, and these are the details. They are the same fields. Their GPS means in and out when they have clocked in and clocked out. So I can create a ClockIn, that is user. I can select a user, their job code. I can also clock in the date or time and clock out the date or time and just tap on the create. By this I can create a new user and they can use my application for that. So let me show you another option that is available. Let's see. Yes, let's see my account. So this is my account. I can edit my details from here, or I can just leave it as it is. As you see, I can also change password and all other details and just tap on the update. So all the fields like name, last name, phone number, hourly rate, date format, company name. I can also add image if I haven't done that yet. So these are the options that are present in the account. Let's see other options that are available, like settings. Right, let's see settings. So from settings, let me show you. Yes, so these are the options available in the settings, like enable notes, military time, take break, downtime, overtime. I can edit any one of them, toggle any one of them off or on, like enable overclock calculation, and just tap on the update and the settings will be changed or saved. So as you can see, these are the options that are like, I can change them if I want to or just set as default. Let's see another feature, group and clock. Let's see group ClockIn, right? So yeah, these are the users that are on the group ClockIn. So you can see I can edit them or delete them, or I can also add new user. The details, number, email, and hourly rates are available here. Let's edit a user. As you can see, employee type, I can change that to manager if I like to. First name, last name, phone number. I can edit all this information if I want to. So let's see, I can also change the email, hourly rate, and the status. Now I can just change anything and just tap on the updates and they will be updated. So yeah, these are the user as I've already shown you. So let's see what happens when I tap on add a new user. That is, let's add a new user. I have to tap on the add new user and I have to give their employee type, first name, last name, phone number. Let's give employee. I can upload their image and phone number and other details which were already present. Let's give some name. Yes, now the last name. Now I have to give a phone number. Let's give a phone number. the email address, and the hourly rate. I have to also give the hourly rate. So this is the email address I'm given. And after that I will be given the hourly rate and also the status. So I'm given the hourly rate as 10. Status will be active. I can also select inactive. Rather, let's change the hourly rate to $5 per hour. Okay, so I've given the status active, and now I can just save it, and I have added a new employee. As you can see, this is the new employee I just added. So yes, this is how you can add a new employee. So yes, let's see what we can do next. We can other options which are available here. Let's see what we can do. We can delete an employee if we like to, but we're not going to delete an employee. So let's go back to the menu, home, and you can see what other menu we can see. Let's see, I have logged out, so let's go see the manager panel. So this was the employee panel, so what will my manager panel look? Let's see. So this is the manager panel, and you can see only 3 options are there: account history and the employee. Let's see an employee by clicking on the employee, and as you can see, this is the employee which I have added, and I haven't clocked in yet, so I have to tap on the clock in, and then I can clock, means my timer will start. So I have to select the job first. Let's select a job. As you can see, there's a new job which I have added, that is React Native. So let me choose a job first, that is PHP. I can update my location. The location has been updated. I can add notes, but I won't. So I have to just tap on the clock in, and the timer will start, and I've clicked on the clock in, and as you can see, you have successfully clocked